Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57 and I have something new for you guys. Yes, that's why you're not seeing anything on screen yet, but here we go. Yep, my short nails. So I have not had my nails this short in about 2 years since I had removed my gel overlay that I wore for 2 years continuously, doing fills as needed, and then decided to go to all natural nails, and they went from, of course, short after removing the gel. My nails were damaged and I got them all healthy and they grew perfectly, and I shaped them to my mini stiletto pointy shape that I so much adore. And now, yes, a new change, something new. So what made me go this route? Well, yeah, I had been sort of considering it. There are a couple of reasons. Yes, I did lost a tip on the nail, and I use that even more as an excuse to make me go this way and, you know, help me make my decision. So, in my preference on when I have my nails this short, I prefer them square. So I like them square better than rounded or oval, even as they're growing out. If my nails, when they get as long as I normally keep them when they're pointed, if I didn't have the problem with them curling on the edges, I will keep them square, because I do like square nails, but my nails are not pretty at all when they're square. They turn and twist ugly in ugly ways. So that's why I opted for shaping them and pointy, and they look much better. But another reason why I've been wanting to sport short nails is because every time I see the very cool clear nail tips extensions, I love them. I mean, the designs that you can do with the jelly colors or just other cool things are so pretty. And there's only one way to do that, right? I mean, I've always said, it's like, that makes me want to cut my nails so I can do clear extensions. So that is another reason. And yeah, it's like, when am I going to try that? It's like, I keep putting it off. And so I am going to, for a while, I'm going to go ahead and sport these short nails for a little while. Now, I have left my thumbs. I'm thinking I've left them long, natural, and right now my nails are completely bare. I've done nothing but, yeah, I've applied my cuticle cream all over generously on them, but they're bare. I don't have any clear base or anything. While they're like this, I want to do some designs. There are some designs that are more geared towards when I see the pictures and they're on short squared ended nails like this. I think they're super cute, so I want to take advantage of that. And as they are growing, so prior to doing the next thing that I'm doing, the clear extensions, I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple of designs. I'm not sure if you guys are interested, while my nails are in this state, like to see certain designs. Let me know down below. Leave your comments, like maybe you have seen a picture, maybe you want to see a short nail version of a particular design. You can, you know, just let me know, guide me to that design, and I'll see what I'll do. But there are some designs that I want to do while my nails are like this. I'm not 100% sure whether or not I'll end up doing tutorials for them. Some of them are quite simple, but I will for sure post them on my Instagram, and I will post them on my Facebook page, as well as on the community tab here on YouTube. And if there's one that I post there and you'd like to see a tutorial, let me know, and I'll do a tutorial on those, even if not on my own nails, then on some tips that I can cut short. But the other thing that I want to do when I'm ready to extend my nails using clear tips, if you guys have seen, there's a product put out by Apres. Apres is the same company that, remember those fancy ink bottles that I got back in Vegas, and they make a product called Gel X. the clear nail tips that are meant full cover and are meant to, with their own product, to be placed as used as a quick extension of nails for salon professionals. But interestingly enough, way before I even knew about that product existing, I had done a set of nails on my daughter, and I will insert that picture here so you can see a beautiful green holographic design that I did with the leaves on her. And yeah, I did, so I actually used, these are full cover clear nail tips, okay? These are for, like, yeah, your typical fake nail, but they're clear. And the thought came, that what gave me the thought about doing this was, you know, those puppets that come with the polygel. They're clear, they're meant to, like, to create a fake nail, and then you remove them, you pop them out, and they have little thingies like sticking out of here to help you squeeze them. Well, I figured, well, why can I use, instead of, you know, I can use a clear, full clear nail tip, and then instead of popping it out, I'll just leave it. And when I did the extensions on my nails, on my daughter's nails, I used a polygel, a clear polygel, to adhere the nail to her, the tip to her nail permanently, rather than using nail glue. It just, yeah, it made it very easy. So I'm going to show you guys. So that's what gave me the idea. She kept them for about she went almost 3 weeks with it. And let me tell you the job that she has. So we cut them. I made them a little shorter for her. We kept the ballerina shape, or somewhat. And her nails are normally way shorter than what I have here now, okay? But when I put these tips on, her job is, she's a dog groomer. Yes. And they did not pop out. She says she managed to work really well with them. She has to grab little paws of the dogs, and, you know, to trim them with the Dremel. Yeah, they have the e-file for the dogs, and that's a lot. That's work that's really hard to do with long nails, and she managed to do that really well without any damage or the nails popping out. So I was very pleased. You know, it was kind of an experiment for us. She liked the how it worked. And I'm going to go ahead, and so when I'm ready to extend my nails, that's what I'm going to do. And if you're interested in seeing that, I think I will do the video. I will do the review. I'm not sure if this is the one here, but I've already pulled out the size the ones that I'm going to use for my nails when it comes to extending. And I'm thinking I'm keeping the ballerina shape, guys. I wasn't sure if I want to shape them stiletto. I figure from this shape I can always easily shape them to a stiletto. But yeah, so that is all I have in this video, guys. Just wanted to give you a status on what is going on with my nails. Now when you see me with nubbies, you know, let me know if you like to see those designs on short nails. That's quite a change for me for a while. Before I go to these long, well, these are not so long when I put them on. Yeah, they don't seem as long as being that for me that I've had long nails. Let me know. And you see me extend my nails with polygel when I did the Vegas design. So these are not going to be as long. My Vegas nails were much longer than what these tips are. And yeah, I almost feel like I wanted my natural nails even shorter, because one thing that I do not like with the clear tips is I don't like seeing this white tip. I don't like seeing it. But I might do something to kind of like blend that in. And also I'm thinking of trying to see how I will go about putting it on my nails, not so much permanent. Maybe, I don't know that I will use this for them to pop out, but maybe I'll use one of the other latex that it's a little resilient for removal, yet easier than if I was to apply these directly to my bare nail on what a traditional preparation would be, if you know what I mean. So if I can make the removal slightly easier, I don't want to have to come with the drill and have to file off any product from my nails. But yeah, I will want to make, I want them to be somewhat of a permanent, but not so much of a hard removal, if that makes sense. If you have questions about that, or any of this, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer, and look forward to my videos with the new nail art of my new length of my nails. Don't mind my thumbs. Oh, and what I thought about doing for my thumbs is leave them like this, or natural. Yeah, so I will only, if I do the, oh, and then so my thinking is, okay, do I want to extend only my left hand and leave my right hand for the short designs? Again, decisions. Not 100% sure which way I'm gonna go, but this is what's happening now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave your comments down below and I'll be happy to join the conversation. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.